Well, that's a wrap on my first year serving in the California State Assembly. It's about 2:50 in the morning on Saturday, September 16th. But it was an incredibly successful, progressive, forward-moving year in the legislature. We started off with a big transportation package to address improving the quality of our streets and roads and improving transit. We passed a package of housing bills to begin to address our housing crisis, down payment on addressing the housing crisis plaguing our communities in California. We extended the cap and trade program, the first in the nation in the world cap and trade program to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and create good paying jobs. We passed a nation leading campaign finance transparency effort this year. And also on a personal level, I became chair of the Elections and Redistricting Committee. We created a select committee to revisit and revise the 1960 Master Plan for higher education. So I'm incredibly excited and motivated for year two. Right now I'm incredibly tired, but just it's such an honor to be able to represent the 24th Assembly District in the California State Assembly. I want to thank my staff that are all sitting around trying not to laugh while I record this, don't stop letting me know about the things that you care about, because we're already going to start thinking about what bills to introduce in January of 2018. So with that, we're going to sign off. Thanks.